Attorney, so karong gabi na, last day na sa week ni sa
Rene.
Waterbonia. And then, attorney, yung situation here, we saw you standing here for almost an hour already.
Yeah, di paningot na yung tao ko. Ipaningot ako, maraming singot. Huwag mo po pasudlas mo nagwarga. Ingon ang Vice President ng instruction sa Ateneo. Vice President, I think Mr. Bong Ilyap. I know him personally, but I don't know why am I prohibited to go inside. And I am supposed to confer with my clients insofar as the preparation of the transfer of the cadaver from Davao City to Agusan. So, but I am prohibited to go inside. And for at least about an hour na.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we saw you standing here. Yeah. Unsay ingon sa admin, attorney, when you were...
Siguro gwapo pa ko yan. Uwaw ko kay nara ba ko bisita.
You're here with Attorney Regal.
Oo, sige.
Hindi na kami matintawag din eh. We wanted to donate the funding eh.
So this is the last day of the week,
Last
attorney.
day, last night niya karon sa Ateneo ni Davao. And of course, I am a Atenian also. So, I'm the lawyer of the family. I think there's no issue about it. And I don't know kung sa Republic Act RA 7438, 38, bawal man na
This is not allowed, oh.
investigation. Wala na may custodial investigation doon. Karon ra pud ni nga nitabok ni nga abogado dito may kasud. Dibidisayan ako dito para masabtan. I just could not understand why we are being prohibited to go inside. Simply because of the fact that I am the lawyer of the family of the victim. So I am supposed to confer with the family.
Yeah, but we see also that the lines of the public, they can easily go in and out, but except ikaw, attorney, except hindi mo ginana.
Taas kay linya din ha. Taas
Ito
kayo.
dito sa petition ka kanina. Ako,
Pero si Attorney Torion Regal, okay, kuya ba may pasublan yung ba?
kasud lang ko ba? Oo.
Alright.
Ang ako ay taong anak na taga Ateneo po, Vican San Carlos pa to, kay kailangan sila na rin bisita, o kung ang misis, what would be kasunod?
I think for all of the media, attorney, mga next steps ni mo after this.
Certainly, this will be included as part of the story of the death of the late Rene. And I'm just hoping and praying that Ateneo would practice what it preaches, that everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome nga, except the lawyer.
Alright, thank you, attorney.
Salamat.